Hi, I'm Danica and I'm a Training and Events Officer here at the Independent Living Centre of WA. This month we're holding a variety of trainings for all sorts of people, from students, health professionals and support teams. Early in the month we're running a customised workshop on technology for communication. We'll be providing an awareness-raising training session around assistive technology, including expertise from our wonderful AtChat colleagues. Later in the month, our OTs will be giving over 100 university students a tour of our display floor and a presentation. And here's a word from a couple of the presenters about the sessions.
These sessions will give the OT students an overview of ILC services and an interactive tour of our display floor.
This will provide students with the opportunity to see how AT can really make a difference.
We'll be ending the month with 2 great workshops for speech pathologists and support teams. The POD introductory 2-day workshop has already sold out, but there are still tickets available for the Teaching Movements for Communication workshop, so grab a ticket before they go. That's all for this month. If you'd like to find out more about the training that we offer, you can go to the What's On page on our website. You can email me at training@ilc.com.au and follow us on our mailing list. See you next month.